Have you ever faced a situation where you wanted to copy some movies for your weekend binge and you hit a roadblock because your friend's laptop was a MacBook and you have a Windows-based PC? So let's face it, today we work in a world of devices and it could be a heterogeneous kind of a platform that we have. For example, you could have an Android phone, your work laptop could be a MacBook provided by your office, and at home you might have a Windows-based PC. Now, while all data has obviously moved to the cloud and hence you can access it from anywhere, anytime, and from any device, there are occasions when you want to probably use a shared resource, or you want to copy local data as I just explained. So in today's edition of Making It Simple or Making IT Simple, I'm going to be sharing some useful workarounds so that you can have a smooth sailing across a heterogeneous ecosystem. Hi, my name is Deepak and I run a company called Nurture IT, which focuses on providing the right IT and telecom solutions for startups and scaling up SMBs for the last 20 years. So now let's go back to the first situation that I said about copying data. Now this requirement could also come up in your office where you want to probably instantly copy data from a Mac to a Windows PC. First thought that might come to your mind is, why not use a pen drive? Well, that's actually easier said than done because Windows works on an NTFS format, whereas Macs work on a APFS format. And hence, when a pen drive which is formatted on a Windows system will not read on a Mac and vice versa. So there's a format called exFAT, which is EXFAT, which is a common platform for both Windows as well as Mac. So now let's find out how we can format your pen drive in this particular exFAT format. You'll need to ensure that you've backed up all your data of the pen drive before you do this exercise. If you're using a Windows device, insert the pen drive into the USB port, select the device and then right click. Go into the format. Under the file system, select exFAT. Once the format is complete, any data copied onto this pen drive, you can copy it the way you've always done it, just a drag and drop. Then it would be ready to be read either in a Mac or a Windows PC seamlessly. If you have a Mac instead of a Windows, then you just have to go into the disk utility tool. Under the external section, just select the USB device that you've inserted. Under erase, just click on the format type and select exFAT option. Once the format is complete, again you're ready to go. The second situation could be where if you have a printer which is connected to a Mac device and you want to print from a Windows system, the easiest solution would be through a Bonjour for Windows app, which is free. You'll first need to enable share of the printer on your Mac device. Then using your Bonjour for Windows on the Windows PC, you'll have to look for a shared printer, then install the drivers and voila, you're ready to go. If it's the other way around where you want to print from a Mac onto a printer which is connected to a Windows device, all you need to do is enable print share on the Windows system, and then from the Mac look for a shared printer. Once it gets connected, you're ready to go. We all know that Apple devices have been super popular amongst music lovers, primarily because of iTunes. While iTunes has two flavors, one for Windows and one for Mac, the copying of your titles can happen seamlessly, but it will not be able to directly copy the libraries and also the play count that you might have maintained. So this is possible by a backup and a recovery option that iTunes offers. I hope whatever I've shared to you today is useful and going to make your life simpler. If you need anything further to figure out, you know whom to reach out to. Good luck and stay safe.